What's up, Flomies? My name is Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do my version of the Around the World. Okay, this is one of my favorite moves. It's just beautiful and aesthetic, and it's a great transition move. So, how we're going to start is we want the Flowstar to be spinning towards us. That's just really the main start, and so for this particular tutorial, we can start with a reverse vertical figure eight with this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to just flick it so the Flowstar is spinning towards us. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our body and we're going to grab the Flowstar from the very bottom and we're going to do a reverse vertical figure eight. And so what I like to do is I go outside, inside, inside. So it looks like this. So flick it, spin it, grab it from the bottom, outside, inside, inside. So then it wraps around your hand. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your arm up and then you're gonna go into a forward vertical figure eight. Okay, so that looks like, let's do this again. So spin, outside, inside, inside, wrap up, forward vertical figure eight. Okay, and then if you put it all together, it's gonna look like this. I really like this move because you can go high, you can move your body, so for the aesthetics, or you can also go low. Okay, it's just a great move to know. If this tutorial helps you, please like and subscribe and follow this account. Happy flowing.